Production in the food industry is demanding, and it costs energy, money, and generates emissions. But there's a proven and effective way to reduce all of that, allowing you to save an average of 5% on energy. With Klüber Energy Efficiency, we can prove what we claim with countless certified industry references. When your production runs, friction occurs. With our specialty lubricants and our pioneering approach, you can significantly reduce that friction for more energy efficiency. This means significant temperature reductions, longer maintenance intervals, longer machine lifespans, and big electricity savings, reducing your costs and your carbon footprint. All within an average payback period of less than a year. And yes, our lubricants are approved by all leading OEMs. So, what are you waiting for? Let us help you increase your energy efficiency and start saving.